good one. Food is a non-negotiable daily need. Everybody here, you must eat. Even if you're fasting, what do you use to break your fast?
Food.
Agriculture remains Nigeria's largest and most important sector, providing livelihood for millions of Nigerians and contributing significantly to the nation's GDP. Look at this. Due to volatility of naira, companies can no longer afford to import raw materials. Local demand for processed cassava, maize, and soybeans has skyrocketed to supply corporate FMCGs like Nigerian breweries. Even some poultry, that needs all this for their live, stocks. Yes. So they can't really import again. Now they are dependent on local production. Also, there are some investments that you can also do in this regard. Investing in export-bound commodities like cocoa, like sesame seeds, cashew nuts, ginger, allows you to earn return ties to global currencies, effectively de-risking your investment from local currency devaluation. You see, and agriculture is one major sector that is contributing significantly to the nation, to the GDP. So it's not a large industry, Look at it. You can also, it offers diverse investment avenues from crop farming and livestock production to agro-processing and export. You can export, you can do livestock processing, you can do, can provide food for the nation, you can do so many things in that area. Let's go to number 3. Treasury bills. You can invest in this. This is certain, though the return might be small, but because treasury bills, and bonds represent one of the best investments in Nigeria, because this relatively low risk government-backed securities offers guaranteed returns. It is government backed. You are loaning government money, and they also pay you your interest upfront. So like T-bills does 90 days, 160 or 364 days, while the bonds you can do from 2 years to 30 years. You can do that investment even for your children. So it's certain. Let's go number 4, mutual funds. There are some banks in Nigeria that you can approach and do this with them. I've mentioned 2 international banks to you, and they can help you to invest your money to the right, funds, money markets. Not just any MMM in the country. Look at a very, an organized system that you can look into and put your money there. Number 5, stock market. Stock market is doing well now. You can place yourself. Get portfolio manager to take you through the process. Open your account. Look for a company, a very good company. Look at it here. A very good company that you can actually invest in. There are some companies, look at this, with solid fundamentals and growth potentials. Companies with solid fundamentals and growth potentials. Stocks offers the possibility of substantial returns. Good now, yes, you can buy and sell quickly. Just like Dangote refinery is coming.
IPO.
So you can quickly buy now and sell. Let's go to the next one, fintech and startup. Some actually invested in money points. Today they are getting good returns. Some invested in OPay and all the fintechs you have around you. Look for a unicorn and just invest. Like ActPay now, that's our bank, which is coming up. Very soon you can invest in it, and you are sure having good returns, because the managers, they are seasoned managers. They are not. These are people that have been in the business for for many years, and they have that track record. Yes, so that's that. You can invest in this as well. Let's go. Small and medium enterprises, SMEs. Small businesses. Ordinary, what's it called? POS machines. Look for a small business, buying and selling, that you can do. You can even be buying from, buy clothes online and sell. Just do something about buying and selling. Making that money, look at, okay. But the most important thing is for you to study the business. Because business has season. Business has its risk and also its reward. So you must be calculative. Go to all the markets and go and study from there. Go to Jewel market. People are selling in the Jewel market there. Go to Mushi market. Go to Ingo market. Go to Alaba. Go to all these big markets. People are doing bad. And because this industry or this sector drives the economy in the country. They are the employers of labor. They are the producers. That's that. Next, renewable energy. With the national grid facing consistent challenges, you can invest in renewable energy. This offers two opportunities. One, the solar, the national grid will keep falling. It unfortunately we are still at 5,000 megawatts. When some countries are at about 50,000. Even South Africa there. And we are still at 5,000. So renewable, and also because you are also moving the country towards greener environments. Running away from fossil fuel, diesel, polluting the environment, the atmosphere, and then making sure that you have a clean energy, clean environment, so you can invest in this and make good money. Our federal government spent 10 billion naira just to equip the Aso with this. And most companies are running away from 2,000 naira diesel per liter now to do what? Provide solar energy. Let's go. Solid mineral. You can get an expert in this industry to show you, to take you through the process of investing in this. Nigeria is blessed. We have stones. We have precious stones. We have stones. If you go to Osun State, you have gold. But the problem is just insecurity. In Borno State, there's Calafori. What's that name? What they use in building aircraft. You have uranium in Nigeria. You have so much in Nigeria. There's one, Calafori. I've forgotten that name. Very, very precious. Isn't Borno? So if you can get a very good, if you can get an expert in this world, a good geologist, they can take you through. I have a friend, if you are interested, I can show you. He can show you the way. All right. Manufacturing. In this place, you can manufacture something. You can be a producer. Look at it. Investing in the local production of hygiene products, packaged foods, and beverages can make the difference for you. We have many people online, social media, selling foods online, and they are doing well. Talk about Adugon Jollof. You see them selling jollof, right? Just jollof rice. Same jollof rice you cook at home. And they are making so much money. The posh foods, thank you. Yes. And they are doing their stuff there, doing well. So you also can have a brand. You can have what?
A brand.
And make money there. You can invest in this industry. And what you need is the knowledge about it. The final one, hospitality and tourism. Domestic tourism is on the rise as international travel becomes more expensive. That's one advantage. And because we have the population. I remember December we went to Timeless Beach. And I saw thousands of people there enjoying themselves. So you can also invest in, just build a resort for yourself. You have the money, you surely sell. People, I can tell you that for fun. People will go there and enjoy them. If people want to enjoy, they can't kill themselves. Abi? Nigeria. So let's conclude. You can invest in any of these businesses, but you need knowledge. You need what?
Knowledge.
Investing in Nigeria offers numerous opportunities across various sectors, from traditional investment such as real estate and agriculture to modern ones like forex, mutual funds, stocks, and the like. By carefully selecting your investment and diversifying your portfolio, you can build wealth and achieve financial security over time. However, investing also requires a solid understanding That is the missing link. Because of the risk and rewards. We all look at the rewards. We are anticipating rewards, gain, profit. What will come to us? MMM. Hey, how much do I make? You don't take the other side. Like you have pitfalls, risk around you. You know? So it is important to do thorough research, seek professional advice, then necessary, and choose investment that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. The one you can manage, you know about, that you can learn. That is so easy for you. That, you know? So you also use data. Data investment is non-negotiable. You live in a world now where it is data driven. Entering into any sector without a clear roadmap is a risk you cannot afford to do. Feasibility studies, you must do that. Business plans, you must have a business plan. Mystery shopping, to know about it, just go there and sit down. Opinion polls, just go there. On Saturday, I went to my hotel at Agbeda and I sat there just as a guest. And nobody knew I was, you know, and we both watched the ball and I wrote out 10 points. And yesterday I ran there, I called the management meeting, and we had the meeting. Quickly. I was there for a meeting, we had money for about 5 hours. Yesterday, that's it. Mystery shopping. Just go and just crack your brain about anything you want to do. You must know about it. Any business you don't have time for is not worth starting. So on the final note, investigate before you invest. Why invest, you know, which is the bedrock for any successful business outcome. And that's why in RV Investment Limited, we don't only build cities, we build thriving communities, and we build lives. Because we always investigate before we Anybody, any question, anything? Are you good? So we see next week. Our lecture next week, we do our the newest project, which is Queensland. So we'd like to
Thank you
talk
for your
more on that
time. Thank you
project.
for your time. See you.
So I'll be coming with a robust lecture on that very estate. It's a very good opportunity. 6 million for a plot of land there. Per square